Hi everybody! Modern personal computers, for example laptops, include a lot of peripheral devices bundled together in the same case. Typically, these peripheral devices have firmware and from time to time you need to update it. This could be tricky and there are some risks involved along the way. However, nowadays Linux users with the Ubuntu Linux distribution can do it easily with the firmware updater. This is an application with graphical user interface that was started in 2021 and is based on FWUPD. In this video, I'll show you how to use it on my ThinkPad T490. As of the moment, I'm using Ubuntu 24.04. This is a long-term support release with GNOME Desktop, and from the launch menu, I started the firmware updater. The graphical user interface is very simple and easy to use. On the left side, you have a list of devices. When you select a particular device, on the right you see details and a big green button if an update is available. In this particular case, I can do a system upgrade of the BIOS on my ThinkPad T490. So I agreed to upgrade from 0.1.82 to version 0.1.84. The firmware updater application downloaded all required files and asked me to restart the computer. The download of these files was very fast, but this is just the beginning of this particular update. Because we are updating the firmware on the main board of the laptop, the actual update starts after rebooting the computer. Pay attention to the messages in the left upper corner on the screen of the laptop. This is a very specific part of the firmware upgrade for ThinkPads. The laptop will restart on several occasions. Before proceeding with such an update, it is highly recommended to make sure that your laptop battery is charged and you have connected the laptop to a power supply while performing the update. This is required to reduce the risk of interrupting the update of the mainboard. Beware that this is a very fragile update and if something goes wrong, you may brick your computer. Of course, if you're updating the firmware of other devices, for example the fingerprint reader, it is less risky. But in this case, I'm demonstrating you how to use the firmware updater on Ubuntu for particularly updating the mainboard on this Lenovo ThinkPad T490 laptop. So first I waited while the installation of the system update completed, but that was not all of it. After that, I had to wait for self-healing BIOS backup. Waiting is always annoying, so thanks to the magic of video editing, we can increase the speed and fast forward. The whole process with firmware updater and all these restarts and installations took me less than 8 minutes. After several restarts and successfully completing the upgrade of the firmware of my mainboard, my laptop has booted successfully into Ubuntu 24.04. I was able to log in with my user and launch firmware updater once again. You're already familiar with the simple graphical user interface that firmware updater offers. On the left are the devices and on the right are details about the selected device. I have to say that ThinkPad laptops are high quality and they provide peripheral devices which support firmware updates. This is not the case for all computers. I have other computers on which the list of devices which firmware can be updated is significantly shorter. All software tools used in this video are open source. Firmware Updater is developed by Canonical and it's available in the Ubuntu Linux distributions. The source code is available in GitHub under GPL version 3 license. It is written in Dart. This is a programming language developed by Google for building fast, scalable web, mobile and desktop applications, especially known for powering Flutter, as in the case of Firmware Updater. Firmware Updater is the front end of another open source tool called FWUPD. Its source code is also available in GitHub but under LGPL 2.1 license, and it's written in the C programming language. At the end of this video, let's summarize what we've learned. Firmware Updater is an experimental open source tool for Linux users with graphical user interface. It is based on FWUPD. The source code is written in Dart and it's available in GitHub. Firmware Updater as a project is developed by Canonical and it is included in the Ubuntu Linux distributions. As you have seen, I have performed a successful firmware update. Beware, firmware updates can be tricky and there are some risks involved along the way. If you're performing a firmware update of a laptop, make sure to have it attached to a power supply. You can use the same firmware updater application with graphical user interface no matter if you're using a laptop or a desktop PC. I have personally used it across various different computers, including a lot of my ThinkPads. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If you like it, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for new videos. See you soon.